we've had meetings with the Ministry of Labor. Yes. We've had meetings with the Ministry of Health. We've had meetings with the head of public service. We have seen even the pronouncement regarding our strike from the big house from the mountain. Yes. And we want to say that we are out today to dramatize and to protect the profession. Yes. I must tell you that the profession is under attack.
We will be having the supplementary budget, I think, in about 2 weeks or so. They have instructions to dispense of the petition within that timeline.
Yes, the doctors must stay here because they need money. Yes. We will not wait for 2 weeks. Yes. Because in 2 weeks' time, how many patients shall have died? Yes. We want Ruto himself to meet these doctors. Yes.
For the last 2 years, the government has collected 1 trillion shillings from your taxes. Do not agree to be undersold.
I know what is going on. The government is deliberately refusing to listen to the needs of the people of Kenya.
We have received your petition as members of parliament from Team Ground, and we are going to do what it pertains to do on the floor of the house to make sure we fight for your rights.
We want to reassure you that we stand with you, and we stand with your right under the Constitution to peacefully demonstrate. Yes. And nobody has the authority to outlaw a peaceful demonstration by doctors.
Mmesikia huyu chifu hapa amekuwa hapa. Amesema ati ya kwamba ati nyinyi mtoke hapa, ati ndio wabunge waingie hapa. Tunataka kusema leo hakuna kikao kwa sababu nyinyi mna demonstrate leo na we want to be solidarity with you.
Yes. We cannot allow oppression in this country. Yes. The rights of the healthcare workers should and must be taken care of.
Mgomo wa madaktari ukiingia siku yake ya 27, ni bayana kwamba muungano wa madaktari KMPDU umepuuzilia mbali matakwa yake Rais William Ruto, akidai kwamba taifa halina uchumi wa kuweza kukidhi makubaliano ya mwaka 2017. Stanley Lugaria, Look Up TV, Nairobi.